Okay, so this is the general course information. My office at room 404C, Science Library Building here. My phone and email are like this, and my office hours is Friday. So due to the COVID-19, as you know, we will use the Zoom platform for the live Zoom live lecture, live online lecture. We will regularly meet on Tuesday and Thursday from the 5 p.m. to the 6:20. All materials will be uploaded at the Lecture1 tab in Blackboard. Live Zoom links will be found at the Lecture1 Zoom tab in Blackboard. I guess most of you already know about this because you are here, right? So, okay. So all lectures will be recorded and uploaded to our YouTube channel. I will let you know soon. And Q&A will be done via email or during the class. Okay. What do we learn in this course? What do you learn this course? The title of this course is the linear algebra. So in this course, we will focus on topics including the system of equations, the vector space, determinant, eigenvector or eigenvalues, or the Q and decomposition or least squares. Which topics, which technique will be used in many your advanced courses like machine learning or the systems or the team learning in computer science department. Anyway, so during this semester, we will see so many kinds of concepts like the as I mentioned before, the systems of equations, the vector space, eigenvalues, square decomposition. It looks like quite different, difficult, right? But I would say we will study two kinds of things in this course: ax equals b and ax equals lambda b, which is called the system of linear equation. So in this semester, we will talk about how to set your problem in a system of equation and how to solve these kinds of equation efficiently and effectively. So this is objective of this course. Before that, because I'm working in the machine learning, computer vision, and team learning, linear algebra is the fundamental topics in this kind of course. This is an article that I interviewed in 수학동화 in Korean last year. So I wrote some kind of description to describe the relationship between the linear algebra and deep learning. So if you're interested, please see this one. Anyway, I want to emphasize the linear algebra is the one of the core course in if you want to work on the computer science department or other disciplines. Anyway, so this is our textbook. So yeah, the title is the Linear Algebra and Its Application, 5th edition by David Lay. But recently the 6th edition was released, so it's going to be fine. But formally, we will use the 5th edition in this course. Okay. Yeah. So the specific course schedule is like this. In week 1, in fact, this week, we'll just skip the details, but in week 1 and week 2, we will talk about how to solve the systems of linear equation. And week 3, we will talk about what is a vector matrix and solution set. And week 4, we will talk about linear independence and linear transformation. Week 5, matrix operation, matrix inverse, we will talk about. Linear factorization, subspace, spaces, dimension, and length concept. And we will talk about the determinant and inner product and orthogonal. week 10, we will talk about Graham-Schmidt or the QR decomposition method, and we will talk about the least square, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, and diagonalization of the symmetric matrix and singular value decomposition. And we will course on at week 15, and finally we will take a final exam. Okay. So yeah, this is the timetable course schedule. Is there any questions so far? So this is what you have to do in this course, in this semester. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So in this course, we have a 3 TA, teaching assistant. So all of the lectures will be done by me. But if you have any question, if you want to ask something about linear algebra or something like this, please ask to your TA or please visit our lab. So our lab is located in room 309. Okay, I will let you know here. I'm here, room 404C, Science Library building, and our lab is located in the room 309C or 309D, Science Library building. So if you want to ask something, please visit our lab. And our TA is Kyusun, Jie, and Minseop. Today, I just want to introduce the three of these TAs to you to let you know their pace. Okay, so first of all, Kyusun, please introduce yourself.
Can you hear me, Professor?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Kyusun Cho from CB Lab. After graduating from the statistics department, I just entered the computer science graduate course in CB Lab. I am currently taking part in 3D computer vision research, and I'm very interested in 3D computer vision trajectory planning and self-driving cars, etc. I wanted to emphasize that if you have any problems or questions regarding this course, you can always contact me via the email. Yes, good luck on this semester. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much. And next, Jie.
Hello, my name is Jie Park, who is teaching assistance in linear algebra, and my interest research is image-to-image translation, and I'm in the students in the first semester of master's degree in computer science. Nice to meet you.
Rachel. Finally, Minseop.
Hello, my name is Minseop Kwak, and I'll be a TA for Professor SeungryongKim's linear algebra class with the other two guys. You can just call me Matthew, if you please. And I just graduated from mechanical engineering department in Korea University. Right now, part of SeungryongKim's computer vision lab. My interest is studying 3D reconstruction, neural radiance fields. So, if you have any questions, you're free to ask in English or in Korean. We'll do our best to answer all of your questions as heartily as possible. And I'm very much looking forward to going through this semester with you guys.
Okay, thank you very much, all of them. Okay, okay. So if you have any question or the comment, please contact them via email or the common emails like this. Okay. It's not Korea email. It's going to be the Gmail. Okay. I will edit this one. Anyway, so one of the most important things today is the grading policy of this course. So you will get a 55% point with the homework. We will have a 5 or 6 homework assignment from the problem set of the textbook, our textbook. The late clause is like that. You will get a 25% off per day late. So try to submit homework in time. Okay. And there will be the midterm and final exam. So it's going to be the closed book and in-class exam, but it depends on the COVID-19 situation anyway. So it's going to be the closed book and in-class exam. So you will get the 30% point and 40% point respectively from the midterm and final exam. One more thing is that you will get a 5% point with the class participation. Yeah, so regarding of this, so here, so for each missed class, the 0.5% point will be deducted. So more than 5 absences, F will be given with no exception. Okay, so for this one, when you join the Zoom link, please change your name into your student ID name. For example, the student ID underbar your name, and TUA will check your attendance according to your number. I mean your ID. Okay. So that's it. So introduction was very short, right? Yeah. Is there any questions so far? No.
So I have one question.
Yeah.
So we have to change our names right now.
You have to change your name as, okay, I will show you like this. Here is a good example here, right? So ID underbar name, your name, okay? And okay, other question? 질문 여기 있네. Okay,
Professor,
mm-hmm.
I wanted to ask a while ago, until what is the coverage for the midterms?
Mm-hmm. You mean the weeks or
The topic, yes.
Topics? Okay, so it depends on the how much you follow. I guess we will take a midterm exam week 8 or week 9. So we will cover from the serving systems of linear equation to the determinant or inner product. Okay, so it depends on how much you follow our course. So let me see. And other question is okay. So by the way, so formally this is the English class, but so most of you are Korean, so it is allowed that you can raise your question in Korean as well. Okay, at every class, formally I will give you the lectures in English, but at the end of each lecture, I will summarize the whole of the topics in Korean again. So, but don't worry about this Korean. So the information is going to be really exactly same. So don't worry about that. Anyway, so you're allowed to ask your question in Korean as well. Okay. So anyway, SeungryongKim asked about the types of the midterm and final exam due to the COVID-19 issues. I don't know yet. I think the situation is getting worse and worse. So maybe we can't take in-person, in-class exam even in midterm and final exam. So I can't say that anything now, but let me see. Okay, so if you can't come to Korea due to your personal situation, it may be fine to take an online example. You have to prove your situation. Okay. And the next thing is the Jimin about the textbook. Okay, so it's really hard to say that. Formally, our material, I mean the slide material, will contain every concept and or the examples or the definition of the each topics. But if you have the textbook, you can do better, right? You can understand more than lecture, but it's going to be really expensive, right? So maybe you can find online version, maybe. I don't know, but maybe you can find that. For the homework we will give you the homework problems. So it's you don't need to buy the textbook for the homework. Okay. Any other question? 글로벌 에디션. 인수 학생 글로벌 에디션이 뭐예요? 글로벌 에디션? 글로벌 에디션? 그게 뭐지? 원래 글로벌 에디션 아닌가? By the way, sorry about the Korean. So, okay, so that's it. So, is there any other question? No? Okay. 여러분 반갑습니다. 저희가 이제 수업 끝날 때면 한국말로 좀 정리를 해줄 거고요. 일단 한국말로 한 번 더 서머리 해주면 이거 텍스트북 우리가 5 에디션, 5th 에디션 사면 되고 인수 학생 이거 사진은 달라요? 한번 저한테 메일로 사진 한번 보여줘요. 알았죠? 아마 이게 버전이 다를 것 같은데 5th 에디션이 아닐 수도 있어요. 그렇죠? 그리고 우리는 이제 리니어 알제브라 전사수학 원이지만 이제 사실 수학 과목을 배울 거예요. 그래서 이제 전사수학 관련된 많은 토픽들을 다룰 거예요. 근데 사실 이 대부분의 토픽들이 여러분들이 아마 고등학생 때 많이 배웠던 거예요. 대부분 지금 2학번 학생들이죠. 고등학교 때 배웠던 연립방정식, determinant, 리스케어 이런 건데 벡터 안 배운 사람. 자, 벡터 안 배우신 분 혹시 있나요? Is there anyone who didn't study the vector in your high school? Is there anyone? No? 정말? 2학번까지는 내가 이해되는데 20학번은 왜 안 배웠지? 효린 학생 왜 안 배웠어요? 20학번은? 아닌가? 안 배우는 게 맞나? 자, 오케이. 2학번 오케이. 2021학번 애들 왜 안 배웠지? 그렇구나. 그렇구나. 오케이. 괜찮아요. 제가 알려줄게요. 네. So, please, you don't need to worry about that. So I will let you know in detail. So don't worry. Anyway, so it's just a little bit advanced class. So, but if you try to follow each class and solve the homework by yourself, it's going to be really easy. So don't worry about that. Anyway, 한국말 하고 있었죠? 마지막이니까. 자, 그래서 이제 우리가 요 과목 때 뭘 배울 거냐? 결국에 많은 걸 배우겠지만 이걸 배우는 거예요. ax equals b, ax equals 람다 b. 그래서 도대체 이 ax equals b, 이제 우리가 아는 수많은 리니어 시스템들은 결국 ax equals b라고 표현이 될 건데, 그럼 이걸 어떻게 정의를 내리고 요거를 어떻게 이피션트하고 이펙티브하게 풀 건가에 관한 얘기가 이제 오늘 아니죠. 이번 학기 우리가 같이 다룰 얘기입니다. 알겠죠? 결국에 계속 한 학기 내내 이 얘기를 할 거예요. 알겠죠? 다음에 제가 작년에 전산수학을 가르치다가 요 수학동화라는 곳에서 이제 그 전산수학 가르치면서 인터뷰했던 내용이에요. 그래서 사실 이 전산수학이라고 하는 게 여러분들 1학년 과목이지만 사실 여러분들이 이제 컴퓨터 사이언스 디파트먼트 or 데이터 사이언스 디파트먼트에서 이제 공부를 해야 되면 사실 무조건 알아야 되는 사실 어떻게 보면 must know, 그렇죠? must know 하는 코र्스가 될 거고, 사실 이걸 제대로 안 배우면 앞으로 여러분 남은 2학년, 3학년, 4학년이 고달플 거예요. 왜냐면 맨날 나오는데 아이겐벡터 맨날 나올 때마다 모르겠어. 그렇죠? 그런 일이 계속 반복될 거예요. 그래서 여러분들이 기회를 잡았을 때 열심히 배우자. 그렇죠? 이기고, 그다음에 this is course schedule, 그다음에 this is TA. 우리 3명 TA 있을 거예요. 그래서 이제 여러분들 아마 이제 숙제도 풀어야 되고 뭐 모르는 것도 있을 거고 또 뭐 1학년이니까 뭐 정말 궁금한 것도 있을 거고 언제든지 편하게 연락도 줘도 되고 찾아와서 알려줘도 됩니다. 뭐 리니어 알지브라 알려는데 아니면 것도 괜찮아요. 이 친구들 다들 여러분 선배들이니까 뭐 편하게 형, 누나, 언니, 오빠처럼 같이 지냈으면 좋겠습니다. 알겠죠? This is grading policy. 그렇죠? 그 5번, 6번의 홈워크 어사이먼트 나갈 거예요. 텍스트북에 있는 프로번시스로 나갈 거고 이 솔루션 셋이 돌아다니고 있다는 것도 알아요. 그렇죠? 그렇기 때문에 우리가 이 카피는 완벽하게 잡는다. 카피는 저희가 다 가지고 있기 때문에 완벽하게 잡을 거다. 절대 베끼지 말고 레이트 프로그레스 있다. 오케이? 그다음에 제일 중요한 거 출석 관련해서 여러분들 줌 링크로 들어오면 아이디 네임으로 꼭 바꾸자. 그래서 이제 TA들이 여러분들의 어텐던시를 매일 체크를 하도록 하겠습니다. 5번 결석이면 F입니다. 전혀 어떠한 엑셉션도 없이 무조건 F니까 여러분들 출석 항상 잊지 마시고요. 알겠죠? 그렇습니다. 오늘 뭐 OT라서 뭐 정말 일찍 끝났는데 question? No? Okay, so I want to show you our blackboard. Okay, 형민? Okay, you can ask a question. About attendance check, yes? 형민? When do TA check attendance? Okay. I want to tell you. So TA will check anytime they want. So please attend in time. Okay? 요거 랜덤 체크할 겁니다. 언제 체크하는지 안 알려줄 거고 여러분들 나가지 말고 그리고 늦게 들어오지 말고 꼭 맞춰서 들어오시고요. 알겠죠? Hi, Professor. I wonder if this class will be offline later or it be online only. I don't know. Okay, so within 2 weeks, we have to be online course. But after that, it's going to be depend on the COVID situation. I really want to meet you in person, but I don't know yet. So let me see. 여러분 이건 진짜 미안해. 이건 내가 뭐라 해줄 말이 없어. 이거는 학교 규정에 따라 바뀌는 거라서 제가 오프라인 하고 싶다고 할 수 있는 것도 아니고요. 그래도 여러분들을 저는 너무너무 보고 싶은데 특히 2학번 학생들 학교 와서 오자마자 또 온라인이라서 너무 아쉬울 것 같아요. 그렇죠? 사실 여담으로 I joined the Korean University in 2020. At that time, the COVID-19 situation happened. So all my previous lectures were done as offline courses. So online courses. So it was too bad. 그래서 여러분들 아마 저도 마찬가지예요. 저 여기 이공학번 학생들 좀 있었는데 아까 이공학번 학생들 일구 학생도 있구나. 일구 학생은 제 수업 재수강인가요? 모르겠네. 아무튼 이공학번 학생들이랑 저랑 너무 동질감이 느껴요. 저도 학교 온 지 이제 5학기 되는데 한 번도 오프라인을 해본 적이 없어요. 그래서 한번 봅시다. 알겠죠? Other question. It is possible to know the result of the attendance check after the lessons to avoid the problem. Okay, we'll try to let you know. Not every class, but at least 3 weeks. Okay, at least 3 week class. 그래서 최소한 3주, 2, 3주에 한 번씩은 저희가 어텐던트 알려줄게요. 매주는 너무 힘들 것 같아요. 우리 조교들도 또 열심히 또 하는 일들이 있으니까. 알겠죠? Also, do we need to buy textbook? Okay, it is the same question. Formally, if you have the textbook, it's going to be better. But our slide material will contain whole of the concept, definition, or the proofs, or the examples. I would say maybe you can find the online version of the textbook, maybe. Okay. Yeah. Other question. Okay. And maybe because you're the freshman, maybe it's your first time to use the Blackboard, right? Is there anyone who first used the Blackboard? 자, 블랙보드 처음 써보는 사람. 대부분 그랬던 것 같은데. 일반 고 학생들은. 맞죠? 그쵸? I just heard that you had a tutorial about the Blackboard, right? 블랙보드 쓰는 거 여러분들 아마 튜토리얼 했었죠? 프레시맨들, 2022학번 애들. 그쵸? 여러분 딱히 설명 안 해줘도 되죠? 그쵸? 자, 이제 우리는 고등학생이 아니고 대학생이니까 그럼에도 한번 설명을 해주면 자, okay, so this is the screen you can see in your account. So here's the announcement here, here's my first announcement, and here is the today's first announcement, right? And here's the slide syllabus of this course. 그렇죠? 이렇게 syllabus 여러분들 볼 수 있어요. 근데 요거 요거 비율은 좀 바뀔 거예요. 좀 바뀔 거니까 일단은 강의 시간에 공지한 대로 보면 되고 좀 볼 수 있고 lecture note here. You can check the lecture note of each course, each week. 그렇죠? 그래서 이렇게 lecture note 다운받을 수가 있게 되고 줌이 안 보이네. 잠깐만요. 왜 안 보이지? 하이드구나. Okay. So here's the lecture room Zoom. So if you push this button, you can check our live Zoom link. But before each class, I will send you this link again. 선학생 그래요? 이제 보일 거야 아마. Here's the assignment. So we will upload each assignment here, so you can check that, and record the video here. So this is the YouTube channel of this course. So after each class, we will upload each recorded video here. So if you miss the class due to some kind of situation, please use this YouTube channel, but please try to attend class as much as you can. 웬만하면 제가 동영상 다 올려줄 거예요. 근데 뭐 여러 가지 상황이나 또는 뭐 여러 가지 어떤 테크닉 프로블럼 때문에 녹화가 안 될 수도 있고요. 또 여러분들 이렇게 저랑 이렇게 이렇게 뭐랄까요, 소통하면서 질의응답도 하려면 꼭 늦지 말고 강의에 들어오면 좋겠고요. 요 동영상 올려주는 거는 강의에 시간에 틀어놓고 딴짓하고 나중에 보라는 게 아니라 여러분들 복습하라는 거예요. 알겠죠? So this is just for the recap. Okay? 복습을 위한 레코드 비디오로 이해해 주면 되겠습니다. 알겠죠? 이 정도고요. 오케이. Is there any question? Maybe last question. 없죠? 오케이. 뭐 첫 시간이라서 뭐 사실 딱히 크게 말해줄 거 없을 것 같고 말했지만 여러분들 다시 한번 너무 반갑고요. 그렇죠? 여러분들 실제로 봤으면 좋겠지만 그럴 수 없는 상황이 좀 아쉽긴 하지만 뭐 보고 싶은 학생들 언제든지 찾아오고요. 뭐 과도관 4층에 있으니까 여러분 언제든지 뭐 필요한 일이 있으면 찾아오면 좋겠고 뭐 궁금한 거나 이런 거 언제든지 물어보면 좋겠습니다. 알겠죠? 뭐 어디서 들었는데 신입생, 프레시맨 첫 시간은 OT만 하고 끝나야 된다는 얘기를 많이 들었어요. 그래서 오늘은 여기까지만 할 거고요. So from next week we will start with solving linear system. Okay? That's it? Nope. Okay. So thank you very much. This is end of lecture 1. This is end of today's lecture. Thank you very much. See you next week. 여러분들 오늘 첫 시간 너무너무 고생 많았고 우리 다음 시간부터 진짜 제대로 그냥 리니어 알gebra 배워보도록 합시다. 알겠죠? 네. 그럼 여러분 고생 많으셨고 다음 주에 뵙겠습니다.
감사합니다.
네. 수고하셨습니다.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
안녕히 계세요.